So I don't know if you can see me behind all the stuff there, because I've got to thank Lido. I just put up my usual FPV Friday video moaning about DJI about the Mini 5 Pro and why haven't we got FPV on it, on the goggles I'm on about. Funny enough, there was an update. So I've got to thank Lido for that. Top man. So anyway, what I've done, I thought what I'd do first, I'll start with the big one, the Mavic 4 Pro, turn on the controller, there was an update. And now on this update, I've written it down because I ain't going to remember it all. So this is the V0100.500, and it's optimized the flight control experience, whatever that means. And I couldn't see anything on the screen that looked different. The other thing was it optimized the low battery return to home and fixed some known issues. Well, to be quite honest, I don't think I've had any issues with this. It's been fantastic, I must say. Guys, if you can afford it with the kit, get it. It's an amazing drone. But I will be checking it out tomorrow. Obviously, it's dark here now in Spain. So I will be testing that out tomorrow to see if anything changed on that. I went through all the settings on the screen. Couldn't see anything wrong with that. It was about, I don't know, 10-15 minute upload. So then I thought I'd check my app on my phone, and I will check it again now because interestingly it's still the same. It's the 1.19.4, but now it's the 1.19.5. But it looks like at the moment, now that could change by tomorrow, but it looks like on your RC2 that when you go into it, if you go straight into it, straight to the updates, nothing. But if you go into profile and then scroll down to settings, there's the update. And on that update, I've got it written down, it just says really fix certain issues and optimized overall app quality. Has got some issues, isn't it? I don't think nothing major. So anyway, I've done that. I've updated. It didn't take, that was a very quick update, I must say. And I did check the Neo 2. So what it really means is if you've got the Neo 2 or the Mini 5 Pro, you're going to get an update on this. So now you, on your RC2 controller, you have got the 1.19.5. Okay, but I did notice on this one, it's still 1.19.4. So obviously maybe there could be updates later on, I don't know. A couple issues I did find when I opened up this screen, when after it's done its update, the first thing that come up, which I've had before, the remote ID come up, and then within a couple of seconds that disappeared. And the other thing that was interesting, when you turn your screen on and you scroll down to do, say, a screen save, it was saying my date is, I think it's 1:42 a.m. and it's the 7th of February. Well, today is Friday, definitely the 6th of February. Now, I've had this issue before because I did take some screen saves and they're coming up as tomorrow. So, is China ahead of us? I don't think, personally, you can change the time on this. I don't know. Interesting. Anyway, yet again, I will go out tomorrow to test the 5 and the Neo 2 just to see if there's any changes. Obviously, guys, if you've got no problems with your drones, you don't need to do this update. I just do it because I like going out and testing and see what goes wrong. But what I will say while I'm here, DJI, come on, goggles free, or the goggles end free. Come on, why can't we fly the Mini 5 Pro? I was hoping with this update that would be on there, but obviously not yet. Somebody did say, I would imagine that he come from DJI, sent them working on it. So that's good. Oh yeah, One more thing I forgot to tell you guys. When I was checking through my Mini 5 Pro, before and after, maximum altitude was 1,640 feet. Now, I'm a feet and inches man myself. What that is in metric. Anyway, it's well over the 400-foot mark. Interestingly, I did notice this before, but when I went out to fly the drone, it reset it again. How does it do that? But I will check that as well. So guys, I'll go out tomorrow to fly the drones. I will put up a video later on, probably late Saturday afternoon, to see if there's any problems. If you've noticed anything, fantastic. Put it down in the comments. It all helps us out. But yeah, updates. Don't we just love them? And there's no doubt there's going to be more updates because we just know it that a Farter 360 is coming out very soon. So, as always, there's going to be another video, and definitely going to be another video coming very sooner. I got anything? Did I forget anything? Nope. Nope.